Okay guys, this is Sinzi from Czech DC-9 project again, flying the DC-9. Again, it's on autopilot mode yet because I'm in a heavy thunderstorm trying to land on runway 30 in Praha Ruzně. I have the localizer and the glide slope captured. Now the autopilot is controlling my yokes. You see no hand is on the controls, it's moved by itself. What I want to show you is the automatic speed brake actuator. I hope I'll be able to land because I set very turbulent and thunderstormy weather. I also have 4 beers in me already, so my speech may be a little not absolutely perfect, but still the autopilot is controlling the yokes. You see it's turning left, right, as it is required. I should set flaps to 5 now because we are slowing down. We are still on the glide slope, we are still on the localizer, as I can see. The controls and everything is still working. I will turn off the lights. That's the thunderstorm and the floodlights. And the most important thing now is this speed brake lever. I can see the runway already. You may not, but because it's too small. But I will turn off the autopilot, and once I do that, the controls will stop to move immediately. I'm now on the out marker, so it's time to put the landing gear down. The speed is good. Landing gear is in transit. Landing gear is down and we have got 3 greens and the doors are closed. I'm still flying on the autopilot. You may see the runway maybe. No, you can't. I will arm the speed brake actuator, and now I turn off the autopilot and I will try to land the aircraft by my hands. I need to put some thrust. Oh, the turbulence are very strong. Okay, the goal now is to hit the runway. I don't know if you can see it. But once I hit the ground, I'm reaching stall speed, but it's okay. Once I hit the ground, the spoilers should go to... The spoiler will go to... It is armed. That's the inner marker. I'm closing in. Power, and now watch this. The aircraft is on the ground and the spoiler is set. I'll set full reverse thrust. I'm also braking the aircraft. And you see I'm landed in Praha Ruzně runway 30, and now it's time to make a after-land checklist items. The controls are no longer moving because the autopilot is off and everything is off. And now I should go have the landing lights off once I go away the runway. The taxi lights to dim, flaps to 15, checked, and the speed brake to off. And now I'm not able to arm it unless I will take off again. I'll try it. I got a very small distance. I'll look what I have good trim. I will put a full thrust, and once I will be in the air, you may hear a noise. That means the actuator is returning back into its flight position. So, sorry, I have something wrong. Maybe the trim. I can also do the trim on my right hand. Flap set to 15, and now just make full thrust. And once I take off, you will hear a sound of how the actuator is currently moving from the on the ground to a in air position. Still don't have enough speed. I have now, so I'm take off now. You hear the noise, and you may see the moving of the handle. So now I can arm the speed brake again, and when I land, the speed brake will go back to in this position. If I leave it down on landing, the actuator will only go in, but it will not move with the arm. So this is a normal operation. You can see I've got master warning here, master caution. That's because the spoiler is open. But if you arm it completely up, then when the aircraft it will touch the ground, it will be on again. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our project or the things we are doing, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.